YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special, I think, unboxing video. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. I do believe it's Amazon. If it's Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer. We got an LED smart bulb, 2-piece. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant. You got dimmable, timer, app control, Wi-Fi connect, QR code, App Store, or the Google Play. Good old Teckin. Alright, you guys can check them out, see what other goodies they have to offer. Come on. Here we go. We'll probably put them in here. Get them out. So RGB style. That's what they look like. Pretty simple. And we got this one right here. Here we go. Got the manual. Teckin. And we got one of these bad boys. So it's 2-pack. Let me grab my tablet. I'll be right back. Alright, once you find it, it's called the Smart Life app. That's what I got all set up. I actually installed it into my bedroom because I got different style bulbs in there. But we'll go in my room in a second. You just got to do bedroom. Let it update for a second. Or maybe it's a different one. Yeah, this is an older one. Bedroom. Should be power on. There we go. See, and you can also just change the color. Any kind of RGB, the saturation, and the brightness. We'll keep it at blue. We'll go in my room in a second. I'll show you. Bedroom one also. I got 2 bulbs in there. You can group them so you can have it with the Alexa. And then color mode, blue. That's good. See, pretty simple, easy to do. And now we'll be right back. Alright guys, there it is, hooked up. Like I said, it's still pretty bright outside. But we got it installed. And it looks good. So check them out if you guys are looking for some smart RGB light bulbs. These are good ones to get, easy to put. And then you guys can check them out. Until then, be safe, have a good night, and I'll see you guys soon.